channel, do another video. I'm working on this Craftsman chainsaw. This is the 4060C Craftsman S205. So it's a Sonoa clone. I also make a Troy built version of this, and used to make an old Remington Outlaw version at 46cc. So I'm working on it. I gotta put a new carburetor on it. I got the kit from eBay. This was 15 bucks. This is actually for a Craftsman 42cc chainsaw, but it fits these. It's $15 cheaper, and it comes with everything you need. We'll open it up and we'll get working on this. So here I have my kit. We'll open this up real quick. Fuel line, comes with a new primer bulb, comes with a new spark plug. We'll put that in. There's the carburetor it comes with. Comes with new gaskets, and it comes with a new fuel filter, all for 15 bucks. Not a bad deal. It was on eBay. I'll leave a link in the description, but let's go ahead and get started. Take the air filter off. The air filter cover off. There's the air filter. We'll take our spark plug out. Actually, no, we don't need to take that out, do we? It's kind of, this boot's in the way though. Take that off. Okay. Now you take this top cover off. So we gotta take this top cover off. Most of these bolts on there use an Allen head. That one out. That mount. You got 3 bolts, and then there's 2 back here that are actually Phillips head screws. Take the back 2 screws out. There, we got the cover off. Cut this off. Okay. So to take the carburetor off, almost all of them have 2 screws, 1 on each side. And these screws for this are the same Allen head as most of the screws or bolts on this whole thing. takes your air filter, rack it off. Take the choke lever off. Now we just got to undo the lines, fuel lines. So these basically, even though this is for a 42cc, they're basically the same, with the only difference being the high and low screws on this one that originally comes with on these 46cc's. They take a small Pac-Man choke adapter, or wrench to adjust the high and low screws. This one, for this one I got on eBay, only takes a flathead to adjust these, so makes it easier. Okay, I'm working the fuel lines off. Okay, I got my old one out. Now we're gonna clean it up a little bit. Okay, I got it all cleaned out. I got two of the lines attached. I'm gonna put this you gotta get the gas rod on the right one, and then the choke one on the other one. This I gotta put on here, and then we'll be done. Okay, so I got all my connections on. I got the trigger on, connected to the right lever. Now we just gotta put it all back together. Just a note, so your trigger goes to the second lever back here on the carburetor. Where's my other? Here's the old carburetor. This is how it sits on there. This second one is the trigger. This one is the choke, the first one. And then you only got 3 different lines. And it's pretty easy. I mean, if you look at it when you're taking it off, just put everything back together the right way, same way it was on. So that's all good to go. I'll put this in the brake. put a new spark plug on it while we're here. We got a new spark plug on. Put the top cover back on. These are kind of a trick to get them in there. They're kind of funny. Oh, we gotta put the choke lever on first. This guy going first. Just hooks in like that. There, now we put our top cover on. Okay, got it on there. Just gotta tighten all the bolts and stuff down. We'll take these back screws first. Okay, I got it all. Got the top cover back on. Put the air filter back on and we'll fire it up and see how it runs. Put the air filter on. Alright, we're ready to fire this up and see how it runs.